Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rashid Hassan, founder and CEO of Dentoscope Institute of Research and Advanced Dentistry and also an associate dentist at Dentoscope Dental Practice. Today I am going to give you a brief review of what are the different equipments required to set up a dental clinic in a very nominal price. So let's get started. You need to have a basic degree in dental surgery, which is BDS, from a recognized institute. First thing is the location. It's up to you if you want to do a high profile dental practice, or you want more patient, or you want to practice in a thickly populated area. Initial investment you should keep in mind around, if you will think about the basic things that you need in a dental setup, it should be around 1 million. Basic things that you need to start a dental setup are: number one, the dental unit; number two, autoclave or the sterilizer; number three, the X-ray unit for the imaging; number four, the scaler; and then the compressor. So these are the five main equipments, the major equipments that you need to start a dental setup. So coming to the first major thing, which is dental unit. Well, there are different dental units which are available in the market, either imported one or the locally made dental units. It all totally dependent upon your choice which unit you want to choose in the start. But in my opinion, you should start with the basic one. It should have a high power suction, so that you don't face any problem once you are doing scaling or you are doing some implant surgery. So the suction is also a very important part of a dental unit. So with the unit, you need to attach the ultrasonic scaler, and it should be approachable for you, and it should not cause any hindrance to the patient as well. Another very major equipment that should be available in your clinical practice in the start is your X-ray unit. Right now we have a portable X-ray with us. You can change to different modes or according to the requirement or which tooth you want to capture. There is a sensor which you can attach with this dental X-ray, and then the imaging is easily displayed on either any monitor, or right now we have this LCD here. A very important part of a dental practice is the sterilizer, is a B-class autoclave, and we can easily open, and it is 21 liters autoclave. Then lastly is the dental compressor, because the unit, it operates on two things, air and electricity, and air is provided by the dental compressor. So you should have a good compressor. Besides the surgical area, there is a waiting area as well. Obviously in the start you don't have much patients, so you can keep that waiting area small, and this surgery area must be spacious. There's also some auxiliary staff that you require in the clinical practice, like dental assistant or any attendant or runner. For dental unit you need about 2 or 2.5 lakh rupees. The basic sterilizer around 175 lakh rupees. The X-ray unit that I showed you here, that was the portable, but you can use the other dental X-ray which you have to mount on the wall, or which is wall mounted, or you can even move that X-ray. Well, that costs about 45 to 50,000 rupees, and then compressor around 50,000 rupees. So these are the major expenses to start with the main equipments. And then for the minor additions, like as I told you, these curing lights, these scalers, well, they don't cost that much. So around 1 million should be there. So that was a brief video about the main equipment that you require to start a clinical setups. And keep this thing in mind that I have just mentioned the major and main things which are required to start a clinical setup. Well, obviously, once the number of patients they increase, you can always upgrade any equipment in your clinical setup. But to start, what I suggest, start with the main things, the basic things, and there is always room for improvement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do like it, and if there are any questions, please mention it in the comment section below. Me and my team will be there to answer any of the queries. Thank you very much. Take care.